Do you ever wonder how some people seem to get so much done before 9 a.m? They don't have more hours in the day. They just use their mornings differently. What's the one biggest struggle you face in your morning routine? Comment below. I want to hear it. Today, I'll share 5 unique steps from highly productive people and how you can add a soft Islamic touch to make your mornings truly blessed. Step 1, the no screen sunrise rule. As soon as your eyes open, don't grab your phone. The endless notifications and social media scroll drain your focus before your day even starts. Instead, take a deep breath, stretch, and make your bed. This simple action signals your brain the day has started. Step 2, the hydrate and activate. Boost. Drink a glass of water right after waking up. Sleeping dehydrates your body and water jumpstarts your metabolism. Add a squeeze of lemon if you like. It's refreshing and helps digestion. Then, do a quick 3-minute stretch or light movement. No intense workouts, just wake up your muscles gently. Step 3, the Fajr focus reset. Pause and perform Fajr prayer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "O Allah, bless my nation in their early mornings." Tirmidhi. Starting your day with prayer aligns your heart and mind, inviting barakah, blessing, into your day. If you're not praying, try a moment of silence or gratitude. Thank Allah for the new day and ask for guidance. Step 4, the golden hour game plan. Spend 5 to 10 minutes planning your day. Write down your top 3 priorities, the non-negotiables that will make your day successful. Break big tasks into small steps so they feel doable. Remember, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Actions are judged by intentions." Bukhari, Muslim. Set your intention now. Why do you want to achieve these tasks? Step 5, the mindful media snack. If you want to consume content, make it purposeful. Listen to Quran recitation, a short motivational podcast, or Islamic reminders that uplift your soul. Avoid diving straight into random news or social media feeds that can overload your mind. Bonus tip, the consistent clock. Try to wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body loves rhythm. A consistent wake-up time improves sleep quality and energy levels. Mornings don't have to be chaotic or overwhelming. By following these simple steps, you're setting yourself up for a day full of barakah, focus, and progress. Try this routine tomorrow morning and share in the comments how it changed your day. Jazakhallahu khairan for watching, and may Allah bless you.